Very good morning to our Talking Forex listeners. Now, in terms of news flow from the weekend, we saw, the main thing really is we saw late on Friday some rating action by the main rating agencies. So we saw Fitch place 6 of the Eurozone countries on rating watch negative. We also saw them reaffirm France's AAA status, however it did revise the outlook to negative from stable. And we also saw Moody's cut Belgium's rating by 2 notches as well, so some fairly downbeat action by those rating agencies. Now, in terms of news flow from the weekend, we also saw that the Eurozone finance ministers are likely to have a telephone conversation today. That's about 2:30 London time, and that will be on the bilateral loans to the IMF. And source comments said that it's likely they're going to ask the UK for €30.9 billion to contribute towards that IMF fund. We also saw comments from EFSF's Regling, who said that the EFSF, its €600 billion fund is enough to prop up both Italy and Spain. Now, in terms of geopolitical news, we saw on Saturday morning that Kim Jong-il from North Korea, North Korea's leader, has in fact died, and his leadership has been taken over by his son. So there's going to be a lot of comments surrounding this and potential tension between both North and South Korea. So a lot of the focus will be on that today. We also saw data from the weekend. We saw the New Zealand data that came in slightly weaker than expected. We also saw UK data come in slightly better. Have, however, seen weakness in cable, down around 30 pips or so, and that's with a bit of strength seen in the dollar. We've seen euro-dollar down in minor negative territory today. We've also seen a bit of weakness in WTI crude futures, which means that Aussie dollar has been down this morning as well. However, it's paring back those early losses. Now, looking ahead, we've also got that telephone conversation. That's at 2:30 London time. We've also got speakers in the form of ECB's Draghi, and we've also got Fed's Lacquer a bit later on as well. But for the time being, that's it from me. We'll have another update for you a bit later on.